Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can spawn the Leviathan boss in Blox fruits. Don't worry, it's super easy, so let's get at the tutorial. Of course, for a boss like this, first of all we need to get a bigger ship than this. Right now I'm just showing you how it works, so I don't have a bigger ship right now. But if you think you are ready for the Leviathan boss, you should get a ship that's at least super fast and that can have 5 players on the ship. Remember, at least 5 players on your ship. After getting all of our friends and getting 5 players on the ship, we will need to go to past level 5 of danger level, and we will keep going even if we are in the level 5 because we need to go even further beyond. Also, there is a chance that there might be a frozen island. I don't know if it's random or not because numbers are weird about this. So if you can get the frozen island by chance, it will give you a quest for Leviathan. To get the quest for Leviathan, we will have to talk to the NPC, like this NPC on the frozen island. And after talking to the NPC, all we have to do is hunt for Leviathan in the sea, where danger level is at least 6. After that, of course, we will eventually be able to fight sea beasts and everything, and then we will finally get Leviathan. Of course, Leviathan is a really hard boss, so without proper getting ready and everything, I don't suggest you do this boss. Make sure you are prepared fully and be ready to fight the boss on the hardest scale you can, because there's a ship and the boss is a hard sea boss, so yeah, you have to be careful about who you are fighting. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any other questions, you can ask them down in the comment section. For any other thing, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day, and goodbye.